Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili sauce last longer. The key is proper handling and storage from the moment you open the bottle. Always place your chili sauce in the refrigerator as soon as possible after use. Make sure to use only clean spoons or other utensils to avoid introducing bacteria. Transferring it to an airtight container can also significantly extend its freshness and flavor, keeping it delicious for weeks. For even longer preservation, freezing is an excellent option. You can extend the life of your chili sauce by several months this way. To make it convenient for future use, portion the sauce into smaller, individual containers or even ice cube trays before freezing. When you are ready to enjoy it again, simply transfer the frozen sauce to your refrigerator and allow it to thaw slowly overnight for the best texture and taste. It is crucial to know how to identify when your chili sauce has gone bad. If you notice any visible mold, an unusual or sour odor, or significant changes in its original color or texture, it is best to discard it immediately. These are clear signs of spoilage, and consuming it could be unsafe. To help you keep track, always label your containers with the date you prepared or opened the sauce. For those making homemade chili sauce, sterilizing your jars and bottles before filling them is a vital step to prevent bacterial growth and ensure maximum shelf life. You can also incorporate natural preservatives, such as a small amount of vinegar, which helps inhibit spoilage. These methods can add extra weeks or even months to your sauce's freshness. And speaking of keeping things fresh, for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.